Have you seen the latest buzz around Nguyen walking street today?
Yes, a huge music festival called WeYoung Stage is taking place tonight.
The artists were already there this morning for their final dress rehearsal.
I heard famous singers like Hoang Ton and St. Sunthak joined in.
Sun K and Min Tak and Lam were spotted rehearsing on stage too.
Even though it was scorching hot, the energy was absolutely electric.
Hundreds of enthusiastic fans showed up early just to catch a glimpse.
It is amazing how dedicated young music lovers are these days.
Most artists showed up in simple, casual outfits and sunglasses.
They still managed to look stylish while testing out their sound cues.
A rehearsal is crucial to make sure every technical detail runs smoothly.
Exactly, they have to coordinate closely with the sound and lighting crew.
Sun K received a lot of attention for his intense focus on stage.
People praise his stage presence and dynamic performance style.
He really knows how to hype up a crowd effortlessly.
Meanwhile, Hoang Ton was interacting warmly with everyone around him.
He always brings positive vibes wherever he performs.
His vocal warm-ups sounded solid even during a casual dry run.
Outdoor music events in Vietnam have become increasingly popular lately.
They transform public spaces into vibrant cultural hubs for youth.
Holding a concert on a walking street creates an open, welcoming environment.
Anyone strolling by can stop and enjoy high-quality live music for free.
Do you often attend live concerts or music festivals in the city?
Whenever I get the chance, because live music feels so uplifting.
The energy of a live crowd is impossible to recreate at home.
You feel connected to thousands of people who share your passion.
However, huge crowds also mean organizers must ensure proper security.
Crowd control and emergency plans are essential for public safety.
Hydration is another key factor when standing outdoors for hours.
I always tell my friends to bring water bottles and portable fans.
That is very practical advice for surviving tropical evening heat.
What kind of music genre do you enjoy listening to live?
I love upbeat pop and energetic electronic dance beats.
They definitely get people dancing and singing along quickly.
Indie acoustic duos like Min Tak and Lam offer a nice contrast too.
Their soulful melodies provide a soothing break during a busy festival.
A diverse lineup keeps the audience engaged throughout the whole night.
It also gives emerging artists a platform to reach broader audiences.
The music scene in Vietnam is growing so rapidly and creatively.
Production quality and stage design have improved dramatically over the years.
Local artists now deliver world-class performances with great confidence.
Seeing our favorite artists put in so much hard work is inspiring.
Even a short rehearsal requires intense concentration and stamina.
Singing and dancing under bright lights takes serious physical conditioning.
Do you plan on heading downtown to catch the show tonight?
I might drop by with a few friends after dinner.
You should arrive early if you want to find a decent standing spot.
Good point. Walking streets get packed within minutes during big shows.
Public transportation or walking might be smarter than driving a motorbike.
Parking around that area on weekend nights can be a total nightmare.
Planning logistics ahead of time always makes event outings much more enjoyable.
Absolutely. Nobody wants to get stuck in traffic while missing the opening act.
Events like WeYoung Stage really bring communities together through shared excitement.
They give young people wonderful memories and unforgettable weekend moments.
I hope the weather stays clear so everyone can fully enjoy the night.
Let us check out the live stream if we cannot make it in person.
That sounds like a great backup plan for tonight.
No matter how we watch, the music will definitely be incredible.
Here is to celebrating young artistic talent and vibrant city culture.
Have a wonderful time enjoying the music tonight, everyone.